Now that we are familiar with the basics of emergency lighting, we're going to walk through how to do your monthly checks. In order for your building's emergency lighting to be compliant, BS 5266 Part 1 states that the system needs a minimum of one full duration test annually, as well as monthly functional testing by the premises team. Any failed items also need to be repaired to maintain that compliance. The full duration test is a 3-hour-long simulation of a power failure. All emergency light fittings in your building will be tested by your corporate provider. This will typically be completed outside of normal working hours. The monthly functional testing is a premises team responsibility and is a relatively simple task. You may also hear this referred to as a flick test. You will need to walk the building operating the emergency test key switches and making note of any emergency light fittings that do not come on. Emergency light fittings are typically identified by a small pea-sized LED in either blue or green. The LED will be in the fitting itself or installed in the ceiling tile next to the fitting. One important note to make is that with the functional testing, we are not testing for duration, so the key switch can be flicked back for normal operation after you've made a note of which fittings did not come on. Once your functional testing has been completed, you need to fill out a check sheet, marking fittings as either pass or fail, and then send it to your corporate provider to quote repairs accordingly. A key takeaway from this video is that you need to check 100% of your fittings every month. If you are running a large facility, you may decide to do portions of the building weekly or fortnightly as required to make sure you can achieve this. In the next video, we'll go over how to fill out the check sheet.